sweet. A says, apple, you're rare and sweet. B says, bald, you're bound to the beat. C says, cat, mirror soft as can be. D says, dog, you're running free. A, B, C, D, sing along happily. Learning letters, lots of fun. Let's keep singing, everyone. E says, elephant, bird and strong. F says, fish, swim along. G says, goat, luck, munching hay. H says, hat, thus wear today. E, F, G, H, clap your hands, laugh with me. Letters dancing round and round, happy learning, happy sound. I says, ice cream, sucking cold and sweet. J says, juice, a tasty treat. K says, kite, flying high. L says, lion, the roar, oh my. I, J, K, L, spin around, do it well. Sing the letters nice and slow, watch our alphabet grow. M says, monkey, a jump and play. N says, nest, dear birds day. O says, orange, gentle, round and bright. P says, parrot, thus colorful sight. M and O, P, clap, clap, happily. Learning letters every day, sing and smile, hip, hip, hooray. Q says, queenie, crown so bright. R says, rabbit, thus hop in sight. S says, sun hat shining high. T says, tiger, big and shy. Q, R, S, T, dance along, you and me. Alphabet fun, loud and clear, we love letters, yes we cheer. U says, umbrella, open wide. V says, van, thus take a ride. W says, whale, found big and blue. X says, Amazon music too. U, V, W, X, tap the beat, yes, yes, yes. Almost done, sing with glee, just 2 letters, wait and see. Y says, yo-yo, up and down. Z says, zebra, at stripes of brown. A to Z, sing with me. Learning letters easy peasy, clap your hands, shout, hooray! We learned the alphabet today.